Hello friends, welcome to my channel JMB Rudraksh Science Classes. Today I will tell you about the uses of numbers 1 to 10 in science and maths term, which are very helpful for us understanding the terms. Number 1 in science and maths term is written uni and mono. For example, unicellular organisms. So unicellular organism means organism made up of single cell. Single cell means one cell. So in science term, in maths term, uni word is used for the one. For example, mononomial. So mononomial is the equation which are having one terms only. So it's also used for the one. In Greek name for the alkanes and alkynes, there is a root word. So root word for in the hydrocarbons, meth is the root word that is used for the compounds having the carbon 1. So this is the meth. Meth is the root word for the compounds having a 1 carbon atom. Similarly, second number, that is 2, and 2, for 2 we used bi and di for the front of the as a prefix in the front of the word. For example, bisexual flower. Bisexual flower means flower having both sexes, male and female part. So that is the bisexual flower. And similarly, like the binomial equation. So binomial equations are those which are having the two terms. And di is also another term which is used for two, like dioecious plant. Dioecious plants are those which are having a unisexual flowers, means two different plants for the different flowers, for male and for female. For example, papaya, male plant is separate and female plant is separate. And in hydrocarbons, for the two, the root word eth is used. Eth root word means in the hydrocarbon having the 2 carbon atoms only. Now the next number is 3. 3 means tri. For example, triangle. So in triangle is the closed figure, is a polygon which is made up of a 3 line segments and having a 3 angles. So tri is used for 3 in some terms in the science and maths. And trinomial equation. Trinomial equation means equation having the 3 terms. And in the hydrocarbons, root word prop is used for the number 3. Prop means carbon compounds having the hydrocarbon having the 3 carbon atoms. So carbon atom 3, it's mean prop. Root word is prop, used for the 3 carbon atoms. Now next number is 4. 4 means tetra. Tetra, quadra. Quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means polygons having the 4 line segments. Tetra is also for 4. Say tetra pack, 4 layer pack. Tetranomial equations having the 4 terms. And in Greek, name for the hydrocarbons, that hydrocarbons carbon compounds having the 4 carbon atoms is termed as but. So but is a root word used for the hydrocarbon having 4 carbon atom. The next is penta. Penta is used for the pentagon, means having the 5 line segments. And pent, similarly in the hydrocarbons, pent word is used for that hydrocarbon which containing the 5 carbon atoms. And then hexa is for 6. Hexagon is a closed figure polygon having the 6 line segments, and hex is also used in the hydrocarbon which are having the carbon compound having the 6 carbon atoms, like hexane, hexene, hexine, and hepta is for 7, for example heptagon, heptalose, हेप्टोज शुगर, जैसे कि हमारे पास शुगर होती है, दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ ए 7 कार्बन एटम्स. एंड हेप्टा इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर द हाइड्रोकार्बन containing the 7 carbon atoms, heptane, heptene, heptine. And then octagon, octet. In science we used for completing the shell. Octet means 8 electron in their outermost shell. Octagon having the 8 line segments. And oct word is used in hydrocarbon, the carbon compound containing the 8 carbon atom. Similarly for nona word is used for the 9 in the terms. And nonagon having the polygon 9 segments. And nonane in hydrocarbon is containing the 9 atoms of carbon. Similarly again next 10 is deca word is used for 10 in decagon, closed figure having the 10 line segments, and is also decades for 10 years. And decane is the hydrocarbon containing the 10 carbon atoms. And similarly so on for further counting. And these are the most important 1 to 10 numbers which are used in the terms, which are very helpful for understanding the terms clearly. Thank you. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe.